Clerks in Hampi. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. Bubbly color.
You people relaxing after food? No one is there now. Royal Centers in Hampi. Sunset view. Wow.
Oh my
Fast.
god. Okay.
We'll.
Great. 3, 2.
Yeah. Shoot. No scope for shooting.
Yeah.
It is dark. Clerks in Hampi. This is the octagonal bath. One of the group monuments of UNESCO World Heritage Center, Hampi. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another episode of Tin and Travel. "20 kilometers from Madikeri. We are in Scotland of India. Fantastic. Episode of We are about to reach our hotel.
You.
This is the one. Can you see?
No. Yes.
So this is Clerks in Hampi.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Looks like a decent property.
Yeah.
So we reached.
Oh, it's a glass
This is
floor.
the reception.
I
And the
don't know.
careful glass.
Yeah, I saw before. There are some fishes inside.
Fishes are there.
Look there. We can find here little commonly.
Yeah. Nice
So
flooring.
cute. I like the mini fishes. They're so cute.
Go towards the lift.
Okay.
This is our room.
Okay. Not bad. Time to see the bathroom.
This is the room.
Yes.
It's okay, right?
Yeah, no problem. There are only 2 nights, right?
That's all.
We can manage.
Workspace is there.
Yeah.
Kettle, water bottle, long mirror.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is also good. See, this is wardrobe.
Yeah.
Nice. Washroom is also good.
Yeah, but no bathtub.
It's okay.
I was expecting a bathtub here. No
It's okay.
problem.
See, mini refrigerator is there. Good. Now we are going to visit the other attractions in Hampi. You are watching Hampi series. Freshen up now. Going for lunch.
Yes.
We didn't have proper breakfast. This hotel itself we have a restaurant. We are going to have our lunch now.
Yes.
Let's go. This is the restaurant. We need to order. What do you want to have?
I'm not sure what to have here.
Let's see the menu. What do you want to have?
I would like to have
Curd rice. You?
I'm not sure. I have to see the
Biryani.
menu. No biryani.
See, here we need to wait for a long time for getting food. We will go out and have,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
We'll go out and have. Let's see any nearby restaurants are available here.
Yeah.
They are saying half an hour.
Yeah,
Nothing is ready
not-
available.
No, I didn't like it.
Yeah, service is not at all good.
No.
Yeah. Shami,
Yeah?
here there is a board. We are open breakfast, lunch and dinner. Let's go inside and see.
Okay.
Have you ever had your lunch like this?
Never.
Yeah. Can we sit that side?
Someone
Sitting already?
see them.
Okay. See back side, Nanda. step tank.
Yeah.
See there? You know what is that?
Seen this, right?
No,
That is Lotus Palace, right?
that is Lotus Palace. You know what is that?
That is Ratha. What is that?
Stone chariot. Nice arrangement, right?
Yeah. Nice.
I think that is Virupaksha.
I think
That Gopura, right?
I think in cartoons I used to see many people go to this type of restaurant, which is basically a Chinese.
We both went.
Yeah.
Nah.
So
I
evening
don't
time only
remember.
most of the people will go there. And the thali. Is it South Indian thali? This is our lunch. In our hotel they said it will take time, so we came out. It is just near to our hotel. Let us try. Thought of trying from here. Very hungry. Good.
Ooh, nice bubbly color. Whoa.
Lemon soda. They have given the soda, so we can mix.
How's it?
Fantastic. Super. At least here we got food fast, right?
Yeah.
They delivered fast.
Yeah.
It's okay, right?
Yeah.
It's not bad. Thali, South Indian thali, Hambi style restaurant.
Yeah.
Food is not typical Mysore style food, right? All curries, sabjis, enough spice. Really, I enjoyed. It's good. Pachapala, I was very hungry, and this style I like, sitting down and having.
Yeah.
Whatever service is good.
Service is very good. Yeah, vegetarian. I don't think we have non-vegetarian, but we tried vegetarian meals. That was the only thing available. It is good, not bad. How was your experience on that?
I liked it. But
You
just-
people relaxing after food?
Yeah. My legs are paining.
Sleep here. Lie down and sleep.
No.
Come, we'll go. We'll pay the bill and go. Come. From here only we had our lunch.
Yeah.
This is a pure vegetarian restaurant. Name is Tree Line. You can see just opposite to the archaeological museum. A reasonable one. Not bad.
Yeah.
After taking some rest, we are coming out.
Yes.
Where are we going now?
Don't know.
Let's see. Anyway, all today's itineraries we covered.
Yeah.
So, let's see. Wow. It is sunset time.
Yeah.
Right time we reach here, right?
Yeah.
This is the octagonal bath, one of the group monuments of UNESCO World Heritage Center, Hampi. This is octagonal water pavilion. See this? The shape is octagonal.
Oh, that's why it's named as Octagonal Water Pavilion.
That's right. This is part of the royal structures in Hampi. One of the many bathing places in Hampi. This is one of the royal centers in Hampi.
Oh.
Like other bathing places near to Queen's Bath. And this is also very near to the Chandrasekhara temple and Saraswati temple.
Ah.
See the sunset view. Wow.
Oh my god.
See, you can see the, I don't know whether you can see this.
Water path.
Yeah. See, this is the water path. They use these channels for filling the water, right? So like swimming pool, we have the system here, right? Yeah. See here there is a hall. Through this, yeah, they will fill the water.
Yeah.
So from Tungabhadra river, they used to take water through the underground pipes.
Oh.
Imagine 500 years back.
Oh my god.
Wow. There is a center portion that's also octagonal shape.
There'll be 8 sides.
8. Octagonal is 8, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
1,
7, 8.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Like that?
Yeah. That's why it's named as Octagonal Water Pavilion.
Even those days, the swimming pool or the open bathing space were available, right? This is the best example. And here, so many bathing places are there. So Queen's bathing place is the another important one.
I've done that in Queen's Bath.
Here, no one is there now.
Yeah.
Good that we came now, right?
Yeah.
See, I wanted to go to that temple.
Yeah.
Can we go there? Who is sneezing?
Oh, that side. Haven't seen.
We will take the car and go that side.
Okay.
So
I
we
see
can
the
park
moon.
there. See, sun will go now. Come
That's
fast.
how you see the moon. Here
Yeah.
it goes, here it comes,
Moon
the
already
sun
came.
sets and the moon right. Look! Look! Look!
See the color.
That looks great!
We will park the car here.
Okay.
Then we will climb to the top.
Okay.
Sun will disappear in few seconds.
3, 2, 1! And then disappear.
Okay?
Okay.
Get down.
No, I don't like getting down.
Come fast.
Okay. Wow. The sun's halfway.
Gone, man.
Down. No, it's not. It's halfway gone.
This is Saraswati temple.
Ooh.
Nice view. Yeah.
If the sun was not gone, you could have taken a photo of me trying to hold the sun.
Sun. Nanda,
Yeah.
this is the one I said.
Yeah, they made the holes, put hot water. They waited for like 8 hours or a day, and then it will
Slowly it will
Boom.
crack. Yeah.
yeah, like pacha.
You want to get inside? Get inside. Fast. Yeah.
Why
Get
won't
inside.
it open?
Wow.
Wait, isn't this one of the what is it?
Avatar.
Yeah, Avatar of Vishnu.
Yes.
What was the fish name again? Forgot.
Matsya.
Matsya.
Matsya Avatar.
Matsya. He wasn't that fish which was growing day by day, and he even met.
What is it? Oh, here we can't go, right? Sun is gone.
Whoa,
Bye bye,
what?
sun.
Oh.
See this?
Ooh. What are they doing? What are these people doing?
Some story will be there. I'm not sure. This is Narasimha.
Narasimha
See,
Avatar.
I think all avatars, Vishnu's avatar.
Yeah, I think. What's
See?
that? I'm scared.
This is the sanctorium.
Oh.
Here, no idols, only bats are there.
Bats. Let's get out of here.
Okay?
Okay.
Before it gets dark, we will try to escape from this place.
Yes, let's go.
Nobody's there.
Oh, and I know a story about the Narasimha Avatar and the Varaha Avatar. Narasimha Avatar is half man, half lion.
Total, how many hours we spent today for covering the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Hampi. Nanda, coming to the edge. Wow, scary.
Let me see.
No, be careful, okay?
It's not scary. If I just drop your phone, it might be scary.
No.
I can drop this chocolate, but I love this chocolate.
See, this temple also, the bottom portion made up of stone, and on top they use the bricks and some plastering materials.
Oh, okay.
That's why it's gone, right?
Yeah,
I think the
Same like that only.
that's right.
I think the moon.
Yeah.
Speaking of the moon, when I was 5th standard, I made a poem by myself. It was for a project. I only remember a few lines. Here it goes, here it comes, the sun sets and the moon rises. The sun is bright and the moon is shiny.
Nice poem.
I only remember those.
Now, no scope for shooting. It is dark.
Yeah.
We can end this episode here. What do you say?
Okay.
So many places covered today
Yeah.
with very less time. We need to see whether we can go for some shopping. Not sure. Shopping in the sense the Hampi street shopping. I'm not sure whether it will be open. Not sure about that. Let us figure it out. Come.
Okay, let's go.
See, that temple was closed.
Yeah.
Chandrasekhara temple, right?
Chandrasekhara temple. Yeah. Think so.
So tomorrow we need to visit very important places like Virupaksha temple
Yeah.
and Kuhn's bath,
Yeah.
royal enclosures,
Yeah. But I
Then-
want to go home.
monolithic statues, Nandi, then
Wait.
Ganesha. We will try to cover tomorrow.
We are spending 2 nights, right?
Yeah.
I thought tomorrow we are going home.
No, day after tomorrow we are going.
Well, good.
Darker and darker.
Yeah.
Only very few people are there.
Yeah.
Somebody is coming out from the temple.
Uh-huh.
I think they are the workers. Closed.
Closed.
Since there is good rain here, we can see greenery. Otherwise, everywhere it will be dusty and dry. Right, Shami? I have seen so many videos. Most of the videos in YouTube, we can see very dry places. If you are visiting immediately after the monsoon, that will be very good. You can see the greeneries. So Saraswati temple we visited, octagonal water pavilion we visited, Chandrasekhara temple closed, which is fine. Somehow we covered 2 places
Yeah.
in half an hour.
Oh!
We are filling diesel from Kontanayakkanahalli near to Hospete. Today's diesel rate is 100 rupees 84 paise. ₹100.84. This is the view of Clerks in Hampi. We are staying here. With this, we are ending this episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.